and we don't actually train on other things, or we don't educate and build our team to look at other areas as well. That is where we took a different approach, where we are clear that we are in the business of building people, and the people that we build play a role in different parts of the organisation. So for example, dalam Mafa kita ada creative team, kita ada designers, kita ada the ad specialists, kita ada coordinators, kita ada the coaches, and then kita ada the leading team and all that lah. Jadi semua orang ada roles masing-masing. At the same time also, we build the pillars that we have bersandarkan kepada kita punya visi, misi dan values, VMV lah, VMV, short for VMV, our values, our vision, mission and values. Okay, this is where we want everybody in the team to be able to understand, appreciate, and also have ownership of this vision that we have. Jadi Mafa punya vision is to be the trusted partner in in providing trusted partner, trusted ecosystem partner, business ecosystem partner for doctors and our people. Jadi our vision is not just for our clients, but it's also for our people. That is where we wanna do it in such a way that everybody buy into this vision. Buy into this vision. Bila dah ada buy in, then dia ada commitment. Bila dia ada commitment, baru dia akan ada ownership. Bila dia ada ownership, baru dia ada sense of belonging to the organisation and what we stand for. Okay, and this is what we are also sharing with our growth partners.